Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use smart tax software, only way. Open your account and enable two-factor authentication, then upload W-2s and Form 1099s using the import tool. Follow the guided prompts to categorize income, enter deductions, and claim credits. Review the summary screen carefully for errors and missing fields. Use built-in calculators for retirement contributions, and adjust estimated tax payments before filing electronically. Start by organizing all income and deduction documents in one folder, either digitally or in print. Scan or download W-2s, Form 1099, and any receipts for deductible expenses so they are ready to import. Use the software's import feature to reduce manual entry and avoid typos. Double-check totals against bank statements and employer forms before you proceed to the guided filing steps to save time later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more smart tax tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading dense tax guides and long instructions much easier with adjustable light and long battery life, so it's handy while doing taxes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you buy through it, you help the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Work through the review checklist and resolve any flagged errors or incomplete fields the software highlights. Choose e-file and enter direct deposit information if you want a faster refund, and verify bank routing numbers carefully. Opt into audit support if provided and print or save a PDF copy for your records. Keep at least one secure backup in cloud storage and note your submission confirmation number for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.